Animals. Birds. Birds travel in a flock. There are around 10,000 different types of birds in the world. Birds have feathers, wings, and they can lay eggs. Most birds fly, but some don't fly. Birds that can't fly are kiwis, penguins, and ostriches. Ostriches are fast runners. Ostriches are the largest and heaviest birds on the planet. The ostrich lays the largest eggs. Penguins spend a lot of time in the water because they can swim very well. Penguins are black and white in color. Emperor penguins slide over the ice on their bellies to move quickly on the snow. Doves are considered as a symbol of peace, harmony, and love. Hummingbirds can fly backwards. Peacocks eat plants, insects, and snakes in the wild. Mockingbirds can imitate sounds of other birds. Pigeons used to act as messengers in the olden days. Pigeons can fly with a lot of speed. They are used for racing. Pigeon racing is also a sport in many countries. Kiwi is a flightless bird. Kiwis are found in New Zealand. Birds that move from one place to another in search of warmer climates and food is called migration or migratory birds.